it's Jules and Lorraine from our crafty home.
Hello, how are you doing?
So, what we're doing today is we wanted to show an opening of our canvas. It's called the Canine Christmas, and this is by Randall Spangler, and just a little bit about his art. So, it's a whimsical diamond art design that he does, capturing the spirit of imagination, adventure, and exploration. Each piece that he does tells a story of an innocent, youthful time when creativity was everything. His designs featuring adorable dragons and juvenile draglings, books and chocolate chip cookies are some of our best sellers and are much loved by diamond painters of all ages. His most popular design include Flight of the Fireflies, So Many Books, So Little Time, Bubble Fairies, Train of Dreams, Kitchen Helpers, and Afternoon Tea. Each detailed scene truly comes to life with the addition of diamond drills.
So he's well loved on Diamond Art Club, and we were excited because what happened is we really wanted this canvas, and even our son, because he grew up with Cocker Spaniels, and you'll notice the feature Cocker Spaniel on the top is, and that's the Cocker Spaniel that we all said, oh, and it's on the topper, right, with wings like Christmas. Christmas. This is a Christmas tree, and then he's the topper part with the wings, angel wings, right? So there's another couple cockers, I think, in this picture. So we got so excited when we heard, because at first we couldn't get it and was out of stock. And the beauty of that with Diamond Art Club is you can say, please send me a message when it comes back into stock. This came back into stock recently, and now the family is excited because there's our Cocker Spaniels and other puppies too. At the end of this video, when we've shown this unboxing, we'll also show you some of the images of our Cockers and our other dogs, because we had two Bostons as well. So you can see the Cockers and the Bostons. We'll have some pictures for you. So this one here, like Lorraine said, it's called Canine Christmas by Randall Spangler. It's 27.6 by 37.4 inches, or 70 centimeters by 95 centimeters. So it's pretty long. That's a pretty big one. And so we'll start the unboxing. I don't know.
Okay, would
Let's
you
start with
like me to
that.
help you
Sure,
there?
if you want to pull that. And I'll keep this box over here.
Ooh, we'll have to open it from this end, I believe.
Okay, so
So there's the unveiling.
here's the canvas. We can
Just
get
move
our
this aside.
drills out. And what we'll do with these drills is we'll set them all up, and then we'll line them up. And then after, I'll just do a close up and you can sort of see the drills that are involved with this.
Yes,
So,
and also we should mention there's 48 colors to this, two Aurora Borealises. Total diamonds are 104,429. So here we are with our canvas. Here, look at that, eh? Looks like a
beautiful.
little bulldog here, a husky, a Saint
I
Bernard.
like the blue sky.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's black. By the way, here's our card. Canine Christmas is our card. And this card is a bronze.
Nice.
So
Close up. I don't know if you can see it. There's quite a reflection of light. That looks good.
and there's our sticker sheet with all the numbers, 48 different
And we've got
drills.
48 in total.
Okay.
some beautiful colors in here that we'll go over later.
And there's the toolkit as well. So what I'm going to do, yeah, that's gorgeous. And you can see the drill feels really good. Like it looks really good here.
Yeah, there's a little backs in here.
Most of your color blocking is going to be up in the top part here with the sky. And after that, it's pretty well going to be all kinds of nice colors in here.
Very nice.
For the dogs. And that nice cocker up there.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is, I think what I'll do is I'll take out the drills and then we'll show what the drills look like. And then we'll show you a panning of the canvas after that as well.
Sounds
so
good.
Just do that right after this.
So as you can see, we're going through the drills, the colors, the beautiful purples, the oranges.
Like a dark brown.
Eh? Yeah, very dark brown, eh? And that looks almost like a deep, deep burgundy. There's a darker purple. And then we've got 4 of these blues. Very, very beautiful. Deep colored.
Imagine when it's done, it'll be a lot of sparkle in here. It'll be looking really good.
Then we've got a couple bags of the black. Here's some more beautiful blues.
Yeah, there's lots of shades of blue.
Yeah, it's almost like a cornflower blue. Very, very nice. And we've got some browns, dark browns here. 5 bags of those, eh? No, 4 bags. Wow.
You have a lot of dogs.
Yeah. And colors, some browns, some blues. Very nice. Love that red. And we've got the lighter lavenders again. Like an orange, eh? And then these are just a little bit in each of these bags, so if I can flatten that down.
Not much in those bags.
Yeah, not much at all. Red down there. Oh, can hardly wait. Nice lavender again. And we go on to here, the purples, dark forest green, Christmas green, lavender again, lighter lavenders, the rust burnt orange, deep, deep purple, and then we come to the 2ABs.
Yeah. So that's all the colors. Now we'll just do a complete review of the canvas. Back in a minute. Okay, so we're just going to look over the canvas again more closely. That was our focus right there. This little angel on top. I mean, we had 2 blonde cockers that were fantastic. Now, not to negate any importance of other dogs, because we also had 2 Bostons as well. Love all dogs. And we have lots in our neighborhood here too. Lots of friends. So, for anybody who's a dog lover, boy, this is the canvas here. And that's why we're so happy to have it. There were look at the dogs. There's so many cute dogs in here. Yeah. We're just going to have so much fun. The problem is we've got to finish off 2 canvases. Lorraine has got one and I've got one that we're trying to finish off. And then we have another one that we have to do, which is going to be a challenging one as well. Yeah, so this guy's competing with another one that has to be done. So I think we got to get working.
Yeah, it was A Savior is Born.
Yeah.
And we've also got this one. So
that's the big Donna Gelsinger one. which
Right.
is really nice. And so, boy, have we got a challenge. We got the problem that everybody's got, trying to finish things on time and see which ones you can do. I have another canvas from another company that came in with the Grinch, and my son kept looking at it, saying, "You're going to do it." Honestly, I'd love to do that one, but we can't. We have so many, and this one, we were so excited to get it that we have to do it this year. It's just a matter of how we're going to do it and when. My wife's looking at me like, "Are you sure you want to do this or commit to this?" But I'm saying, "Yeah, I think so." Anyway, thank you guys for coming along, and all you dog lovers, and even if you're not, I'm sure you'd enjoy this canvas. Is just a lot of fun. So I can see it's going to be a lot of joy, a lot of fun. So thank you for coming along.
Yes, thanks very much.
Okay, take care.
Bye bye.
See you again. Bye bye.
I wanna take you back in